Welcome to the NutriForce campus. My name is Anthony Alfonso. I'm the founder and president of NutriForce Nutrition. To my right is Dan Alodef, the Chief Operating Officer of NutriForce. We're sitting right here in Miami Lakes. This is the heart of NutriForce. It is our campus, and it is where all of our products are manufactured, and now for Vitamin Shoppe. Dan?
We have roughly 200,000 square feet of manufacturing space here, 500 employees, and today we're going to show you what goes into making your products. These products.
I can speak for the over 500 employees in NutriForce. We are ecstatic about being part of the team.
Okay, this is our 40,000 square foot soft gel manufacturing facility. Everything from fish oil, CoQ10, coconut oil, all those products are made right here. Let's go take a look inside.
And this is our soft gel facility. Watch. Nice, huh?
Okay, we're inside our soft gel facility. Vitamin Shoppe is one of the few companies in the country now that owns its own soft gel plant. And not only is it your soft gel facility, but there's even fewer that have this level of technology, this level of intense quality. Every step of the process has a tremendous quality control.
Notice before we go inside, there are 3 different sections in the rooms. Each one has a different controlled humidity and temperature setting. Let's go ahead.
Okay, this is our tablet and capsule manufacturing facility. We're actually walking in through the employee entrance. The employees are not allowed in manufacturing with the same clothes that they had on the outside. So when they come in, up here on the right are locker rooms. They go in there, they change into their uniforms. Up on the left is gowning. Once they're in their uniforms, they gown up, sanitize their hands, and then they go into manufacturing. Before we talk about manufacturing though, let's take a quick look at our analytical area.
So this is the heart and soul of NutriForce. It is the analytical and microbiological laboratory. Every single product that comes in the facility gets tested. You'll see infrared, atomic absorption. Everything you can imagine is used to test our products. Approximately over 50 employees are involved in just the laboratory and quality control.
In addition to that, we also keep retention samples on everything we make in this facility. So you can pick up any one of your products, take a look on the bottom, there's going to be a lot number on there. With that lot number, we can trace back everything that went into making the product, from the raw materials, who we bought them from, who were the suppliers, who was the chemist that performed the analysis, who was the operator on the machine, when was it made, straight through from raw material to finished good. We can trace all of that. What you have down here are quite a few machines that support analytical function. One of them is an atomic absorption machine, which is for testing minerals such as chromium. In the second room here in the corner, you have a GC. The GC is for testing highly volatile oils such as EPA and DHA. A little bit further down the hallway, there's a machine called an ICP-MS. The ICP-MS is a critical machine for testing heavy metals such as lead and mercury. Every single raw material that comes into our facilities goes through this analysis before it goes into manufacturing.
Down in this area of the lab, you have many other HPLCs, along with a complete microbiological laboratory used to test the yeast and mold and total platelet count.
Okay, this is our blending operation. This supports a tablet and capsule manufacturing. Blending is a critical part of this because what happens is, once you have a formulation and you weigh your ingredients based on the formula, you still got to make sure that you blend homogeneously. If you don't have a homogeneous blend, you're going to mislabel claims. Part of your blend is going to have a higher concentration, other parts are going to have lower concentration. We have a very unique and innovative blending machine here. This is a Munson. We've actually got 2 of these. We were the first in the industry to carry these, and we live and swear by these. Nothing produces a homogeneous blend like this machine does. And we're even more excited now because we actually got another Munson, about 3 times the size of this one, to support a new powder facility, your new powder facility. Okay, we're standing here in what's called a gray area. This area separates the warehouse from manufacturing. It's a high pressure area so that when the doors open, the air always flows out, keeping a separation of the air between the two warehouse and manufacturing. Up here on the left is our tablet and capsule manufacturing area. We've got tablets and capsules, high-speed tablet presses, high-speed encapsulators, all here. The operators themselves perform quality checks throughout the manufacturing process. They check for things like weight variation, hardness on the tablets, closures on the capsules. In addition to the operators doing their quality checks, we have a completely separate quality control team that also comes in and periodically pull samples from the machines and conduct their own testing on top of what the operators have done. The whole point there is to make sure that whatever's on the label is always in the product.
So each of our capsule machines, they're all Bosches, along with the tablet presses, are all JMCO. The reason for this is that we have basically all our mechanics and all our employees are cross-trained. So if you run a 700, a 1500, or a 2000, it's irrelevant. You can use any employee to cross-train each of the machines. This one here is a Bosch 2000, does approximately 120,000 capsules an hour. That's a pretty high speed.
Okay, you're looking at our packaging operation. We have 4 high-speed packaging lines. These lines are incredible. They do everything. They fill the bottle, put on the cap, seal it, put the label on, print the lot number expiration. In addition to that, there's a metal detector on the line. The line also controls the count and ensures the count by counting the number of tablets or capsules or soft shells going in and by weight. Just like in manufacturing, the operators do their own quality control checks throughout the run. But in addition to that, there's also an independent quality control group that comes in and throughout the run, they sample product from the line. They open it, make sure it's sealed properly, make sure it's got the correct count, make sure it's got the right label, make sure the lot number is accurate, make sure that it is a perfect finishing good, exactly the way it was designed to be when it gets to the end of that line.
Yeah, very important point. These rooms are separated. There are 4 high-speed lines. Approximately 100,000 bottles a day can be produced out of here. And one of the most important parts that Dan mentioned was the metal detection. NutriForce was actually involved in metal detection well before the FDA got involved. Very important aspect to packaging. And so there you have it. You've now seen where all of the manufacturing is done here at NutriForce for all the products at Vitamin Shoppe.
And hopefully you got a real sense for the quality that goes into making all your products. I'm sorry we couldn't bring all you guys down here. This is the next best thing, but if you're ever in South Florida, please reach out to us. We would absolutely love to give you a personal tour so you can see this firsthand.
And on behalf of the 500 plus employees here at NutriForce, we are ecstatic to be part of the Vitamin Shoppe team.